You wake up, you are preparing yourself to go to work, you have breakfast, you brush your teeth, then you are getting dressed and you realize you are running late for work. You finally arrive at work and you have a very intense meeting at first hour in the morning. In this meeting, you are discussing key points with your colleagues that are crucial for your project. And finally, when you end this meeting, you go to your seat, check out how much work you have, and you realize you are overloaded, you have deadlines you are not going to be able to achieve, and you are so stressed that you can't stop sweating. For sure, you can relate to a situation like this. At least I do. Those are the things that get me stressed, and when I get stressed, I sweat a lot and I have this kind of weird smell that I don't have when I am doing physical activities such as exercise. Then, well, yes, I can sweat, but I don't have that odor. Okay, so yeah, I think I am not the only one. So today I will provide you the holy grail against this odor. And first, I will start talking about the things and products I've tried that didn't work for me. And later, I will provide you the list of the products that were successful for me on preventing this smell. Let's start with the ones that I will never recommend to anyone. But who knows, what is good for you is not good for me, or vice versa. So it's just my personal experience. So the first one is the typical mineral stick here, that is like a special rock that prevents smell in your armpits, supposedly. And these are available in different brands. I think I tried 2 different brands, but any of them worked for me. And I would say it gave me even worse smell. But yes, as I said, I tried 2 different brands and it didn't work for me. The second one I tried is this deodorant from the Nude brand. I received so many advertisements from this brand in Instagram, Facebook. So they claim they were able to get rid of all the smell, like forever. And I was very excited to try this brand. And I must say it didn't work. It was like putting something in my armpit, but that was not effectively at all. It didn't protect me even the first hours of my day. And I had many other deodorant failures, like the cheap ones you see in the supermarket, and you buy them because you see they are in offer, and then you try the first one and it's so bad they don't do anything. This happened to me several times, and I will tell you, please don't do that. Don't buy the first cheap deodorant you see on the supermarket. I will not do it again. So I am getting a little upset talking about the ones that didn't work for me. So let's start talking about the ones that I would recommend. Okay, so the first one I've discovered, it is actually a natural remedy. You will see as we are going through the list of my recommendations that many of them have natural ingredients. For me, it's very important not to put a lot of chemicals in my skin, so that's why I choose natural ingredients. Okay, so the first one is lime. Yes, this little green lemon that you can find in the supermarket. I can say the lime is highly effective. You cut a thin slice each morning and squeeze it into your armpit to get the drops there, and you will see you go throughout all the entire day without any smell. The bad point about this lime is that at first it can be a little bit itchy for your skin, especially if you have a sensitive skin like me. And the second bad thing is that it is not the cleanest way and fastest way to put a product in your armpits. If you are in a hurry and you need to go to the fridge, slide your lime and squeeze it in your armpit, being careful not to get in any drops in your clothes. It can be tiring. Also, this way can be a little bit embarrassing for you. Overall, if you are sharing your apartment with roommates, this was my case. They saw me every morning cutting this slide of lime every day, and they were very surprised and joking about it all the time. Even nowadays we used to joke about this remedy I had for my armpits years ago. So yes, I am not using it anymore because as it is a natural remedy and it takes time, it's like not immediate. Like when you have a deodorant, you put it in a very clean way, and even when you are in a hurry, I prefer to use a faster option like a real deodorant, so I stopped using it. As I realized that the natural ingredient of lime was very useful for my type, I was looking for deodorants in the internet that had this composition, this lime ingredient, and that's how I discovered the brand called SMELLY, which is a brand from deodorants. I don't know if for something else, but I am using it only for the deodorant. And I got this. This one is bergamot plus lime, as you can see, and this has worked very good for me. I even bought them from Spain to the United States because this brand years ago was not available in Spain. But nowadays I can find these Smith's products in Amazon easily. I want to show you how many different variants I have. The lime, the lavender one, which is a very good one also, and I have two this rose and the charcoal plus magnesium, but I am not really very enthusiastic about these two. I prefer the one with the lavender and with the lime. Another natural option that is actually very similar in texture to this kind of deodorant is using baking soda plus coconut oil. You mix it and you get like a paste that is very similar to the deodorants that are in a stick like this, because I think that these being natural ones, they are made by baking soda and coconut oil. So yeah, you have this natural option that you can find the ingredients at home and do it. Is very effective, really. Even you can put some drops of essential oils or maybe drops of lime too. You can do it your own mix, but I must say lately I prefer, in my case, to buy a deodorant which is in a case, because I feel when I am using these natural remedies, I need to get dirt and it's not a very clean way, and you take longer when applying it, and I prefer being faster. And now, finally, the best thing I ever tried, this. As you can see, this is not a deodorant. This is a gel that you can use when you are having a shower. So this is great. This is from the brand Dial, and as you can see here, it has this prevention of odor, and I was recommended of using this product, so I checked in Amazon in the reviews, and all the people were saying this is a great product, so I decided to try it, and I am so glad that I did it because it is so great. I even have used it without deodorant, and I was feeling clean the entire day. But well, normally what I do is combine this with the Smith deodorant, and really I only can tell good things about it. So I am not sure if this Dial product is sold everywhere, but anyway, I will put all the links for all the products I talked about, well, my recommendations, in the description box down below, so you can check all the prices there. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a very happy and fresh armpits. See you on my next one. Bye!